Oh, hello. So this will get you started with RStudio. We'll just go through the download and installation of RStudio. So in Google, type RStudio, rstudio.com, and what you want to do is to download the RStudio version for the desktop, open source edition. This is the one that's free. Download RStudio for your desktop, and you'll have to choose which kind you want. Okay, and what you want is the RStudio desktop edition because it's free. And you just click on the download, it, you install it on your desktop. Now you need to find your operating system version. This is a PC, so you would go with the RStudio exec here. It may be different by the time you're reading this. You may have to keep it. And we can say open. You may have to tell your device that it's okay to install this. And here you have your RStudio setup. You want to hit next. It's going to try to put it in this location, which is fine for most people. It's got enough space. And you install it under the name RStudio. And it'll just take a while for it to unpack and then install. I'll just pause the recording and well, there we go. It actually took off. It'll be done in just a moment. So it's now been installed. Finish and clean up. Okay, so now we can close our browser if we want to. Go in here, scroll down until we find RStudio. There's RStudio, and we can run it. You can decide whether you want to allow it to send those. I'm just going to say no for now. And here we see a bunch of stuff which I had in there to begin with. Okay, and this will be generally how you see it initially. And if you want to begin, you can open up a new project. You can open up a file. You can open up a new script file. That's what I had here. And we can type our first program, which is print in brackets, quote, hello world. And then to run that, simply highlight it or press the run key. And we can see down here in the console that it says print hello world. And that's it. That's the installation on a Mac, on a PC. Mac version will be also available by somebody who actually has a Mac. I do not. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.